Is this the most stylish small SUV you can buy right now? Today, we're looking at the refreshed 2025 Renault Captur, and it might just be the underrated gem of the crossover world. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The small SUV segment is absolutely packed with options, but the 2025 Renault Captur caught my eye with its striking new looks and promise of French flair combined with everyday practicality. Let's dive in and see if it delivers. Renault has completely transformed the Captur's identity. Gone is the jacked-up Clio look. This is now a proper little SUV with design cues borrowed from the larger Renault Rafale and electric Scenic. Those arrow-shaped LED daytime running lights give it a distinctive face that stands out in a crowded parking lot. Renault offers just two engine choices: a city-friendly 90-horsepower 1-liter turbo with a manual gearbox that's peppy in town but leisurely on highways, or the more impressive E-Tech Hybrid 145 combining a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor. This hybrid is the only Captur with an automatic transmission, delivers a quicker 0 to 60 time under 10 seconds, and achieves outstanding fuel economy around 57 mpg, rivaling the efficient Toyota Yaris Cross. Inside is where the Captur really shines. The star of the show is this 10.4-inch portrait touchscreen. Higher trim levels get Google-based infotainment with Google Maps built in and one of the best voice control systems I've experienced in this class. The screen is responsive, the graphics are sharp, and it's angled slightly toward the driver for easier use. The driving position is noticeably higher than some competitors, giving you that commanding view of the road many SUV buyers crave. Materials quality is decent, with soft-touch surfaces where it matters, though some hard plastics lower down remind you this is still an affordable vehicle. Now for the Captur's party trick: the sliding rear bench. This feature is rare in the small SUV segment and lets you choose between maximum passenger space or cargo room. With the seats pushed all the way back, you get 422 liters of trunk space in the non-hybrid model. Slide them forward, and that expands to a massive 535 liters, rivaling SUVs from the class above. The hybrid does sacrifice some cargo space for its battery, dropping to 326 liters, but that's still enough for 5 carry-on suitcases. On the road, the Captur prioritizes comfort over sportiness. The suspension is softer than rivals like the Ford Puma, soaking up bumps nicely. It's not the most engaging drive, but the light steering makes city maneuvering easy. The hybrid runs in near silence at low speeds in electric mode, perfect for early morning departures when you don't want to wake the neighbors. Starting at just under $22,200, the Captur undercuts many rivals while offering generous standard equipment. Even base models get LED headlights, climate control, wireless phone charging, and a comprehensive safety suite including automatic emergency braking. If you're shopping for a small SUV, the sweet spot in the range is the mid-spec Techno trim. You get the excellent Google-based infotainment, 18-inch wheels, and a height-adjustable boot floor without a huge price premium. The 2025 Renault Captur isn't reinventing the wheel, but with its blend of style, practicality, and tech, it's a compelling option in the small SUV crowd. The E-Tech Hybrid impresses with its efficiency, though the clever sliding rear seats are the feature that might just win you over. What do you think of the new Captur? Drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.